Do you want to be a design engineer? Are you passionate towards building a long-term career in the mechanical or aerospace domain? Have you always wondered how design starts from scratch? As a part of our initiative, Knowledge Building and Skill Development, a School of Industry-Oriented Engineering and Solutions is hosting a unique one-day online technical workshop to provide industry-relevant knowledge and help participants gain the right exposure before they enter the industry. So, what would be your takeaways from this workshop? You will understand the importance of the academic engineering fundamentals and concepts. You will gain an awareness on knowledge required to work for core engineering jobs. You will understand the factors driving future engineering industry. You will know the importance of hand calculations in the aerospace and mechanical jobs. You will gain an insight on the role of finite element analysis in real-time design. You will understand the importance of industry-oriented engineering and applicative engineering as well. You will gain an exposure towards the role of metallic and composite materials in future engineering industry. You will be able to plan for the right internships and the right academic project. There will also be discussions on what one must do to build a very strong profile for landing a job or pursuing masters abroad. We believe that design is not alone to do a few activities using CAD or CAE software. Instead, design is a process of thinking to make the product efficient, better, lighter, and smarter. Enroll in our course and have an amazing journey through the wonderlands of design engineering. For more details, reach us through mail or message or a call. Thank you.